tried this with the Magnum.
Right, so
Tried this with the Magnum.
Ooh. Yeah, my problem is if I wait too long, I'm always too high, and I'm already trying to track down a trough, and they always just right on the top.